Ever since COVID-19 originated in a small market in Wuhan, China, global players in tech have become more cautious about doing business in China. Many countries already started asking for their facilities to be shifted back to their nation, whereas other manufacturers looked at markets like Thailand, Vietnam, and India to manufacture and export goods. We have been already hearing about how Apple is ramping up its production in India and has now started making iPhone 11 alongside iPhone XR, and it looks like Apple's contract manufacturers are getting more serious about shifting their facilities from China to India. According to a recent report by Times of India, a major contract manufacturer for Apple is shifting 6 production lines from China to India, with a target to explore around $5 billion worth of iPhones in India, while simultaneously catering to the Indian market. The sources in the matter claim that the establishment of the facility could provide employment to around 55,000 Indian workers in just a matter of a year. Moreover, the vendors are not simply looking to make only smartphones, but also shift to manufacturing laptops, tablets, and other computers in the next few years. This could mean that iPads, MacBooks, and even iMacs could get a whole lot cheaper for buyers in India, as now Apple won't have to pay hefty taxes to import the products in India. The sources reveal that a container load of goods from Apple's key manufacturer has already arrived in India and is soon to start manufacturing products in India. It will join manufacturers Wistron, Pegatron, Foxconn, and Samsung to make in India under the incentive scheme lined up by the government of India. As many as 22 domestic and global manufacturers will produce products amounting to around Rs 11.5 lakh crore over the next 5 years, and resulting in exports around Rs 7 lakh crore as per Communications and IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad in his recent statement.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.